Hey, and welcome back. You are in the right place for real talk and tips on school, life, and finding your path forward. Hey you, yeah you, lying in bed, scrolling, promising yourself you'll definitely start that thing tomorrow. Sound familiar? If your summer to-do list is collecting dust and you're stuck in a loop of, I'll do it later, don't worry, I've got you. Let's break it down with some quick wins rooted in habit science, ACT, and a little real talk. Tip 1. Tiny actions beat big intentions. Procrastination loves perfectionism. So here's your first win. Shrink the task. So instead of saying, I have to find the perfect college, say, I'll spend 10 to 15 minutes online researching colleges. That tiny move builds momentum. It's called a starter step. And it flips the brain from freeze to action. Your job isn't to finish. Your job is to just begin. Tip 2. Make space for the ugh. ACT teaches us that feeling discomfort doesn't mean we stop. Rather, acknowledge the discomfort and keep moving towards that thing that matters. Feeling bored, annoyed, anxious? Fine. Let those feelings hang out, but keep moving. Instead of fighting the say, I notice I'm feeling stuck and I can still take one small step. That's psychological flexibility, and that's a superpower. Tip 3. Design your space to win. Habit science says that your environment is louder than your motivation. So, change your environment. Want to read more? Put the book on your pillow, desk, or wherever you're going to see it. Want to stop wasting all your time on TikTok? Delete the app, or at least bury it on screen 4. Make the right choice the easy choice. Summer isn't about becoming a productivity robot. It's about making small, intentional choices that move you towards what matters. One step, one action, one shift in your environment. So what's your next tiny move? Drop it in the comments below. And if you want more real strategies to beat procrastination and live with purpose, hit the like and subscribe button. You've got this. School tests us, life challenges us, but the future is yours to mold. Let's shape it together.